Are you looking for the best legal Gorilla Tag mod menu to enhance your game experience? Well, keep watching. I got some recommendations for you that you might want to go check out. Maybe there's one or two you haven't heard before. So I want to know, are you tired of the same old Gorilla Tag experience? You want to add some fun new features without getting in trouble? Finding legal mod menus can be tricky, and you definitely don't want to risk your account, okay? But don't worry, I'm here to show you some great options, okay? So here we go. Bon. First up, you got Monkey Mod Manager. It's a legal modding tool that lets you easily add mods to your Gorilla Tag game. It's super easy to use and lets you customize your game with a variety of mods, all while staying within the rules, all right? Now, another good option is Gorilla Tag Modding Toolkit, which offers safe mods that can enhance your game, giving you new features and customizations. If you're looking for a mod menu that focuses on performance and visuals, GT Mod Loader is a great choice, and I'll put them in the description. It gives you the option to improve graphics and performance without breaking any rules, okay? Now for extra fun, Tagger's mod menu is known for adding fun skins and game mods that make your Gorilla Tag experience even more exciting. Now, if you're looking to add some legal flair to your Gorilla Tag, these mod menus are a great place to start. So, like this video if you like these recommendations. I love you.